What up, Diecast gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KG, back in the workshop studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. Feeling really good myself, gang. Really excited. Got an unboxing to do in this video. Also, shout out to the winner round 2 of my giveaway. Package has been shipped out. I was trying to think of the name right off the bat, but I'll think of it. Just get straight into the video. First off, before we get started, I just want to show you guys a few things I got. Well, not a few things. I got one new item. Told you guys I'm finna slow down. I'm really finna slow down. But real quick, gang. Let me just show you the new item that I picked up. And I got a wheel swap I want to do on a wrap that I just recently unboxed. I'm gonna do a new unboxing. Maybe another wheel swap. Let's get it. Alright, gang. First off, right off the bat, went on a hunt the other day. I just came across this. That's Sersky 91 BMW M5. Been searching and hunting for this. Finally came across it, but as you can see now, I have 3 out of the set. I do have the Land Rover Defender, which I showed you. It's already put up on my pegs, but still got the Nova right here. So happy to. That's probably my favorite. That BMW is my favorite from the set. So now, just want to get straight into the unboxing, guys. Like mail call. Came actually a day early. Really excited. Just ripped the box open. Just cut it. Alright. I'm doing this like I'm sharing this moment with you guys. Here we go, gang. 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. It's a new casting, guys. I just went ahead and ordered it because, you know, it's brand new to the Jada brand. And when I first seen it, posting it on, well, I think I first seen it upon the groups, the Facebook groups that I'm in, and I was just like, wow, here we go. They actually released it in 2 different colors. They actually released it in white. The white one has a big blue horse. I think it's blue and white, but it's all white with blue accents. You look it up. It's really nice. See, they kept the old box. It's funny, I got all these on this box except for 2. And that's the Mercury and this Chevelle right here. Everything else in this box I actually have in the collection. But as we do our normal fashion, I want to get it out the box, package, and take a closer look. And it's sad because while it's in the box, you can't really see the rear end of the car, the exhaust, the tail lights. It has a funky spoiler. I'm excited about this one. So let's get it, gang. Alright, guys. Guys and girls, here she is out the package. It's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. Jeez, the Dark Horse. Wow, look at that spoiler, guys. Nice job. So aggressive. look underneath. Okay, we got the spacers we can remove in the back to get a wide tire through there. Actually finna do a wheel swap. Yes guys, I feel we finna do a wheel swap right out the box game. I really don't too much care for these wheels. These are like the wheels that came on the new Dodge Challenger. I mean the Dodge Charger. The Fast and Furious one. I got a little roughness right there. The wheel well. With the paint. Just ain't smooth right. It's right there in that one. First time look under the hood, let's check it out. Okay. Does that say something there? It just said Mustang. Is that 3.0? Not sure. Pretty dope. Is it a screen? Oh, dang, look at the dash, man. It got that, like in real life, it got that big screen going across the dash. Oh, man, that's tight. I like that. Nice detail that they did their thing. Oh, man. It's pretty good, gang. I'm happy with it. All right. I'm gonna temporarily sit it to the side, guys. I'm stoked. Big shout out to Jada. They've been dropping some bangers lately. You know, they just recently, like, I think last year? Or sooner, they gave us that Fast and Furious Dodge Charger as a new casting. They also gave us, you know, a lot of Fords late. I remember when they first dropped the, here's the Shelby. I actually have 4 different variants of this car. It was the 2020 Shelby GT500, which was a spectacular car, in my opinion. It needs a bath, that hood. But yeah, they've been dropping. They had dropped this not too long ago. The Fox body was new casting, not too far back. What else? So Bella wanna say what up? Hey, what up, Bella? You good? She good, guys. She definitely spoiled, definitely been taken care of. But before I get into the new Dark Horse, I wanted to give you guys a quick look. I got a last video I was just showing you guys the cars I do on 30s is a Ford F-150 that I've had for quite some time. It's a pretty old model, but you know, the stance that I gave it, because this car has so much room, I can actually slam it in the front just like I did the back. But it rolls. I just want to let you know, most of the customs I do like this. This one was easy though. You know, they roll. But this is what I wanted to get to. The new Raptor. I want to give a big shout out to Jaime Gallardo and the Facebook group. This guy did custom on this Raptor. He slammed it actually, and he added a front amazing splitter. Hold on. He added a splitter in the front of it and slammed it, and did some more mods to it and made it look absolutely incredible. But I want a mod, man, but not as extreme as he went on his. But I just want to add some wheels, gang. Wheel swap. These are the wheels that came off of the Camaro in my last video. I just have them here, so I was actually thinking about taking the wheels off of that F-150 because for some reason I really don't too much like this rim. I got plans. Maybe I'll paint the centers gold, but I don't have the right paint right now, so we're just gonna go with the all chrome. Like I was gonna say, I was gonna take the wheels off of this F-150 because I really like these wheels better and put them on this truck. What we're gonna do is put some off-road wheels and leave it lifted. Like, and to all the new subscribers, I just explained this in a previous video, but I like to take the wheels from these tires with this particular wheel tread, and you know, I like to take these tires and put them on this wheel, even though it's about the same height, a little slightly taller, but these wheels stretch once you get them cut out. But like I explained, I need to sit you guys down one moment. Alright, that's better, guys. I know you're getting tired of me moving the camera all around anyway, every which way. I can use both my hands. I was saying I want to get these tire off the rim. I just showed this in a previous video. But to all the new subscribers, as we added, shout out to all the new subscribers. Anybody new in the building that's watching me, enjoying the content, let me know down in the comments. But this is actually the back of the tire. I explained this in the previous video. Just came up with this one day. I was trying this. This will actually fit in there and stretch, but it won't go all the way on because, you know, all this fatness in the back. So this is actually the front of the tire, actually, but we're gonna call it the back of the tire now. Just cut this fat part out. And the way I do that is just simply taking my razor blade and slice into it and carefully go around. I already did one of the wheels because I wanted to get through this. But I just want to give you an example. I slid into it. Now I'm just going to take my razor blade and follow the tread all the way around. And cut this whole thing off. Cut the whole center part off so it'll be thin on both sides. So let me cut it, then I'll show you guys. Alrighty guys, I got cut all the way around. And this is how pretty much it's gonna look when you get it out. Here's the cut side. Not absolutely perfect. I actually could have cut a little more off right there on this side of the wheel. And right here, let me see. Like I said, be careful not to slice that other side of the wheel. I forgot to mention, this is actually a 1/18 scale wheel that I ordered off of eBay quite some time ago. I used to order a lot of these. They come with 5 different style of reels and chrome. You can get them in chrome or black. I believe you still can get them to this day. Don't quote me on that, but I just Googled 1/18 scale replacement wheels, and they come in 5-pack. Different designs. Like I said, they come in black and chrome. So now I'm just going to show you how amazingly easy this wheel stretches over this tire. Do it right on video. Like, once you get it on there, it's crazy. It actually pops in place, and then you just kind of go around and push the tire all the way up on the. Gotta go around and get it up on there. Once it's on there, it's pretty much on there. Let me go another one already done. So now we got 2. Pretty much just makes it look like a, a big wheel on a stretch off-road tire. But it looks good. So I got 2 more wheels to do, guys. Get these other 2 knocked out. And get them on the truck. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I got all 4 tires seated and on. Before I go any further, I just wanted to mention that, guys, if you've never done this before, please use caution and be safe. You're cutting around that tire, be careful to watch your fingers. You've seen me do this. I use this blade right here. I suggest, if you're a beginner, to actually have it in like a box cutter with the whole holder to give you more control. And while you're cutting, be cautious not to cut, which is going to be the back side of the tire. It's going to end up being your front, your new front. So I'm just saying, be very cautious. I'm telling you through experience. I didn't injure myself, cut my fingers, all type of stuff many a times doing the simplest things, crafting. And I just, trying to save somebody's fingers. But if you try this, like I said, use caution. So now they got all the 4 wheels on the tires. All 4 tires on the wheels. Let's get them on the truck. Now, first things first, I gotta take the screws out of the truck, so you guys know how it go. So everybody who's been watching me, that's all my new subscribers, I'm gonna take out all the screws. 6 screws it look like in this truck. Might be something extra under here, I don't know yet. I'm gonna get it apart, guys. Get the rods off and let's get the new tires on. Alrighty, gang. I got the wheels and tires off of the truck, off of the stem, as you can see. I showed you guys a bunch of times how I use the heat and rod technique to take the tires off. Now we got the other wheels, guys, and these replacement wheels, guys, come with their own rods. The Jada Watt. These are the rods. I call the rods. The Jada rods is thicker, so they won't work on these tires. just gonna always use pliers to hold one side while I get one wheel on. Like I said, I would like to paint these faces gold. If I give me the right gold spray paint and some sand them down a little bit. I don't know. That could be next, but more than likely the rod's not gonna be the right length. This is the longer one. They come with I believe they come with 2 or 3 different length rods. This actually fits pretty well. As you can see, it's gonna be real close to that wheel well though. Once it's seated. It looks like this is gonna be too long, guys, so grab my multi-purpose rotary tool. As you can see, I already got my blade on there. I've done this so many times I can already tell that this is too long. So what I'm gonna do is chop probably all of this rough part off. This might be a little loud game, but I'm gonna do it on camera. There we go. Make sure you wear safety glasses and use caution. It's gonna be a little spark. Oh, wait a minute. Unplug. How did I get unplugged, man? Wow. Okay. All right, we back. That came unplugged. I'm gonna do it on camera, guys. Cover your ears. Yeah. Nah, this blade cut through multiple purpose. There you go. That's my glasses, guys. Let you know I'm not kidding, but that blade cuts through a lot of different things for me. I love it. It goes through plastic, wood. I even found that I can cut a plexiglass with it. So we got a lot coming up in the future, gang. All right. And that's the front. Then if I want to cut these wheel wells out, alrighty, guys. Check something out. Since we got this front bumper, everything. Just because it's kind of rubbing, guys, a little bit. Like I did the other F-150, I cut a little bit out the other F-150, but I'll show you what you can do using the same technique and the same blade. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. Take the glasses back on. peel off the rough part. Probably not perfect. I'm gonna cut off a little more here. Smoothing it out a little bit. Essentially, I just cut out the inner fender. Just take your hand and you can kind of peel off the burnt plastic or whatever. It kind of doesn't do it. It does a pretty good job. But now, let's see. Still kind of touching that front. Okay. It's all trial and error, gang. I'm just sharing with you guys today. Yeah, I'm not afraid to cut it up, gang. This is the base. This is not even part of the, this is part of the base at the bottom. So it's a part you probably won't see that much, but now I have clearance. Let's see how the back does. In the rear, I got clearance all the way around. The rear might be good. Okay. So let me just cut. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the other side like I did on this side. Then we're gonna put the wheels on, see how it looks, guys. Alright, guys, there you have it. Here's the truck all back together. Got to seat it back on the base. Came out pretty nice though, gang. It's something different. There you have it. Said I might switch it up with some different big wheels later. They're easy to swap out the tires with the other wheels and different cars, so fun to just mess around with. Get some photos. Got a little plastic shavings everywhere. But moving on back to this car, guys. Now I was debating on which wheels I wanted to put on it. Geez, it's a hard decision. This probably gonna be temporary also, guys. I got wheels coming from Flavor Tech. Somebody mentioned to me, just messaged me recently asking about the custom 3D printed wheels, which should be coming soon to the channel, but in the meantime, we use what we have. Debating on these wheels. It's another Mustang 2010. I don't know how that would work, guys. Another car I'm thinking about. Got another Mustang. And I believe this is a 65. I can't really see right now. But it's another Mustang. Pardon me, gang. It's one I had for quite some time. It's actually a throwback Dub City. So, thinking about borrowing these wheels, guys. It's kind of like an old. Wow, that chrome is hitting. It's hard to see. See how deep that rear wheel is. So, guys, I just want to make this quick swap. I'm not gonna hold you guys like I normally do. If you guys have any questions, get down in the comment section. I'm just gonna simply swap these two cars. Like I said, I don't really too much care for these wheels, even though that's sort of kind of a new wheel from Jada. Like I said, we've seen him on a Charger as a new wheel. Now they're using it on the new black Dark Horse. I was gonna say Black Horse, but Dark Horse. But let's get it, gang. I'm gonna change them over, show you guys the results. All right, guys, I got everything ripped apart. Went ahead and gave 65 Mustang a bath, rinsed down. Just want to show you guys this interior. This old school, which I've had for over 20 years. Look at that detail. Nitrous tank. Separate chrome shifter, chrome pedals. Two-tone seats. They put the gray and black detail. And also the speakers and the deck lid. Went through their thing, gang. Opposed to check out the newer interior. You know, they don't like to use chrome details, which the newer cars not much chrome detail anyway, but just want to show you their level of detail. I actually painted that gold. That gold on the motor actually came like that, so. Just wanted to show you another thing, gang. And I really appreciate the fact that Jada does this. They know we like to swap our cars around, guys, so they actually put these spacers in the rear of the car, which if I can use one hand, we'll set you guys down again. I'll try to use two hands, but just want to show you guys on camera because some people might not understand this, but you can just pretty much pull these off normally. But if you can't pull them off, then once again you get your handy dandy razor blade. And if you can see where it looks kind of rough at right behind wheel, it's like a rib. They've been like plastically riveted in. So once again, be careful with your fingers. Just want to knock some of the. See, what I basically did was just knock some of that plastic off. And this is actually a separate piece. And it actually already got holes in it for the brakes. Which they went with all black rotors and calipers. But since we at it, might as well do the other side. This wheels we took off The other Mustang is big wide in the back. So, just like that. I almost got in trouble over here. I almost melted it a little bit when I was taking the other wheels off because of that heat. But same thing with taking the brakes off. Okay, I'm not gonna do it on camera, but you gotta be really careful. And that's just if you want the brakes. Don't necessarily have to have them. Cause they all black. I mean, I got some better brakes than this. Sort of like this. Later on, I'll just take my time, and normally I'll just glue it right on the hole. I'll shave it down, take the stems off, and just glue the brake and rotor right to there. But for the sake of the time of this video, I'm just gonna test fit these wheels. And this one kind of a little bit discolorated. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a really old wheel, but I believe it came like this when I got it. So this might just be a temporary swap. This might not be a forever swap, guys. Just like to test things out sometimes. Get the front on. It's another long video, guys. I try to make the videos kind of short. I like to do things where you guys can see, so you guys can get a better idea, instead of just running through it. Let's see how that fits. I don't know. Might have to cut it. Alright guys, like I showed you on the truck, feel like I might have to cut the stem again. It's not pushing the wheel all the way in. I'll use some different wheels. Yeah, sticking out way too far. I was trying to see if I had an extra stem, but I don't. Okay guys, stop the video, cut this off and get it put on. Show you guys how it looks. Alright gang, here we are, got both cars put back together. Looking really good, really nice guys. I'm stoked. The Ford GT 65 Ford GT, as you can see it. Came out better than I expected it to. Like I said early on, I really don't like these wheels, but don't look bad on this 65 Ford. Better than I expected it. But for 2024 Mustang Dark Horse. Looking mighty aggressive on these wheels. Really like it. Big shout out to Jada Toys for releasing this new casting. It kind of snuck up on me with this one. Wasn't expecting it, but I jumped all over it. I'm a big fan of new castings. And just as I was thinking about retiring from the hunt, guys, this beautiful Mustang Dark Horse popped up on the scene. And they just released the new one in real life, so very appropriate, very nice for the holiday season. Like I said, they have another colorway in white with blue accents. Might try to find that one as well on the hunt. But as always, gang, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Overall, how did it turn out? I was pondering for a while trying to figure out which wheels I wanted to put on here when it first came in the mail. Like I said before, I was first thinking about going with these wheels. This car needs a bath though. But I kind of like the way this Mustang sits on its own, so I'm even happier with these. And there's the Raptor in the back. Another three-way wheel swap in the books. Use the wheels we took off the Camaro. And like I said before, I think this will look much better with gold faces with a chrome lip. Might throw that in a future video. Just paint them up and see how it looks. Also, gang, I want to get into some more dioramas, just let you guys know. I got 3 builds I want to do for myself. And I also want to get into some questions, you know, kind of asking you guys some opinions on dioramas coming up in the new year, hopefully, near future. But we've been going wheel swap crazy. You guys tend to like the wheel swap videos. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed that, and let me know what you guys think about the swap and also the new car, the new 2024 Mustang Dark Horse. That's gonna pretty much wrap it up, guys. Until next time. I know you hear my dog tapping in the background. But I'll say until next time, peace and love. Yeah. Have a blessed day, guys. I'm out.